In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek AI. So if you go to Play Store here and search for DeepSeek, you're going to find this app here, and this is an AI assistant and AI model app. So if you click on it and click download, install, you will be able to install it. So this app is quite similar to other big AI models like ChatGPT or Quen. So if you browse through here, you will see some of like the information about it. If you go to about this app, they will show you how just a small description about this app. It's an intelligent AI assistant. So after you install the app and you open it, it's gonna look like this. So let's open the app, and it's gonna ask you to log in. So you just log in with your Google account or create an account. So after you log in, you're gonna see the chat bot here. This is where you type your messages, and these options are basically if you want to enable them to allow a more advanced search and a more advanced response when you want a response. If you click at the top right here, you're gonna see your previous chat history. So for each chat, it will be saved individually. Here is your profile, and if you go here, you're gonna see this is how you start a new chat. So if you click on this button, so let's just say hello. Here it's gonna respond. Let's say I want to start a new chat. I'll just click on this button, and this will give me a fresh new chat. So let's just start and ask DeepSeek any question here. So let's ask it, how is the weather? So let's see. I have access. Let's ask it about the weather in, let's say, Tokyo. And here it's giving me the response. So the weather in Tokyo currently 12 Celsius and condition clear skies. So it's a very nice AI model. Now what you can do with these options here is if you click search, you can enable the search response. So if you ask it anything about that needs and requires a search on the Google and the internet, it will basically do this for you. So if you want to enable the search, it will basically search stuff for you, like ask it about news or ask it about information on research websites. And about for the think option, it will basically enable this, which will allow a longer response. This will allow the response to take more time and give you a more accurate and a more detailed response. So if I ask it, for example, you have to ask it something that requires a deep thinking and just something that takes time. So if you want a more accurate response and a more detailed one, just click on think while you do your response. So if you click on this button, plus button, you're gonna see where this is where you input your images and photos. So image OCR, it basically it has the ability to read your image if it has any words. So it's not just it's not gonna only take the image and just analyze it. It's also gonna read and understand any words on inside the image. And photo is basically if you want to take a photo directly from your phone. This is documents. If you want to upload any PDF or Excel or any folders, this is the option where you enable the microphone. So if you hold this, hold to speak, see, let's hold it, hold to speak, allow hello DeepSeek, And there you go. See, looks like it didn't read this correctly. Let's try this again. Hello DeepSeek. Okay, it's making some issues here clearly. So you can just browse this and like explore this app, and it's a very nice app. As you can see, here is my chat histories. So it's a very nice AI model. It can be very helpful if you know how to use it and take advantage of it. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.